Hi everyone, how do you feel today? I feel good, I feel great, I feel wonderful. Okay, today I have you practice two vowels E and E. E, E. The first E, track 1. C, even, even. 3, softly, finally, me, key, very, Mary, country, age, green, happy, busy. Track 2. Number 1, speeding on the freeway. Number 2, happily eating trees. Number 3, he and she. Number 4, skiing very rapidly. Number 5, she sees a monkey eating honey. Number 6, we see a pony stealing money. Number 7, who can he see? Number 8, it must be me. The second, track 3, bit, fizz, bigger, listen, display, fish, 50, build, kitchen, trim, business, firming, discuss, bin, lift, build, fifth, first, live, fig. Check for E, heat, keen, deal, seek, hit, king, deal, sick. E, seen, reap, till, bean, sin, rip, till, bin. Track 5. Number 1, the beans have been cooking since 6 o'clock. Number 2, sit in the seat by the window. Number 3, we ate our meal by the mill. Number 4, the seal will live in the ocean. Number 5, Tim grinned after seeing green fired. Number 6, peeped and pitted, shipped the sweet chimney. Number 7, though being alpha build the spin. Number 8, does Jim steal Jim's zine. Number 9, the girls but correct on the real slickers. Number 10, pick cherry as their beak, or you will eat the bit. Thank you.